Hi there, students. Sortilege. Sortilege. Okay, this is a word for witchcraft, for magic, for sorcery. This is particularly the art of telling the future, of telling what's going to happen, by drawing lots, or for example, by deciding what you're going to do, by drawing a card at random or doing something at random from a collection. So what's the weather going to be like a month from today? And then you put your hand in the bag and take out a piece or a number or something, and this tells you. And this is this idea of taking something out of the bag, of drawing lots, if you like. This is sortilege. And the thing that you draw tells you what the weather's going to be like. Also, drawing lots is like the will of the gods. This is what the gods wanted to happen. So let's resolve this by chance, by drawing lots, and the gods will guide our hands. The gods will help us make the right decision. Okay, so it's like using some sort of random way to or random thing to predict the future. This is also called astragalomancy, rolling of dice, for example. Okay, you cast lots as a means of determining what God wants, or rock scissors paper. Yeah, and the person who wins, this is chosen by God. This is the idea of sortilege. Okay, so sortilege, it's effectively a way of making decisions, a way of making predictions. Shall I go right or left? Flip a coin, and God has decided that the coin is tails. I'm going that way. And this is the idea of sortilege. But sortilege, some sort of magic, sorcery, adivination, black magic, prophecy, ways of seeing the future, the black arts, if you like. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, sortilegus. Sor with a T is a lot or a chance. You're drawing lots to choose. Legere. So you're choosing a lot. I choose this one, I choose that one. This is the idea of casting lots to predict the future. Doing some random method, and that's the idea. Formality, this is a pretty literary word. I think I'd probably give it a 6.5 in formality. So semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sortilege.